one. Let's rumble, robots. Spinning the line, the best of the drum spinner, fighting an undercutting horizontal line. Looks like Dawnbreaker, very low traction wheels here, sliding sideways on their legs, making it very hard to predict both the driver and Tony. However, it looks like Ankle Grinder may be having some weapon issues. He's missing Mike Dawnbreaker. I guess we'll see. We have 1 minute and 20 seconds left in this match. Ankle Grinder, keeping Dawnbreaker's weapon spinning out. Distance spinning out now. Let's see if maybe he can chew up some of those wheels and chew up some of that back panel. Robots vying for pin, vying for audience, vying for control now. Ankle Grinder almost getting that pin, not quite. We have just over a minute left. There we go, Ankle Grinder with that pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, go ahead and disengage. Getting in those pins, that's some big points with the judges if we can keep getting them. Looks like both robots knock each other, dazed and confused. Who can deal the last bit of damage? Push them. Turn the tides when this goes to the judges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dawnbreaker reciprocating the pin. There we go, putting them on more level playing field with the judges. Oh, can he get another? Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Dawnbreaker trying to make sure that all the audience can get a good look at Ankle Grinder. Robots, 3, 2, 1, and that is the fight. This one will go to the